Two friends, same city, same income, and the same $1,000 in their bank account. 5 years later, one of them is financially free, and the other is still living paycheck to paycheck. What changed? The answer is not what you think. Meet Ethan and Jake. Both are 25 years old. Both just started their first job, and both have exactly $1,000 in savings. No rich family, no special advantage, just two ordinary people, starting from the same point. But what they do next changes everything. Ethan looks at his $1,000 and thinks, "I've worked hard. I deserve to enjoy this." So he buys a new phone, eats out more often, and upgrades his lifestyle. Just a little. It feels good. On the other hand, Jake looks at the same $1,000 and thinks differently. This is not money to spend. This is a seed. He doesn't touch it. Instead, he starts learning. Months pass. Ethan continues his routine. Work, spend, repeat. Small upgrades, small pleasures, but no real progress. Meanwhile, Jake is doing something invisible. He reads about money, learns basic investing. 1 year later, Ethan's income has increased. 3 years later, Ethan is earning more than ever before. But somehow, he still feels stuck. Every raise comes with new expenses, a better apartment, a financed car, and a lifestyle he can't afford to lose. Jake, on the other hand, is no longer trading time for money alone. His investments are growing, slowly but consistently. He understands something Ethan never learned. Money is not for spending. It's a tool for freedom. Slightly. But so is his spending. A better phone, more subscriptions, more nights out. He feels like he's progressing, but in reality, nothing has changed. Jake's journey looks different. He still lives simply. But now, his money is working. Small investments, careful decisions. Nothing flashy, but something is building quietly. Watches others fail and understands why. He's not making big money yet, but he's building something far more powerful: awareness. 5 years later, Ethan is still working, still stressed, still waiting for one big break. Jake has options. He's not a billionaire, but he has something far more important: control over his time. His money works for him, and not the other way around. The difference was never income. It was never luck. It was the way they thought, the way they decided, and the habits they repeated every single day. Because in the end, wealth is not built in a moment. It's built in the small choices no one sees.